this. You have to have this drawing book if you want. And this someone's give me. And this is what? Can you read it? You see? Put here and the gum. This is the spoon and this is the accessories. I don't want to put the accessories, sorry. We just make a slime. Ooh, so yum. Okay. Ta-da. And put the gum first. Glue for slime, do not drink. And put a bit. Oop, 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 oop. So many. Okay, it's already done. Put a bit. Close it. And shape first. It's not working this slime. And have to put this empty for slime. So put slowly. Okay. Oops. And put here. Okay, already done. Can you read? Okay. This is glue for slime. Read. Glue for slime. Good. And shake it, this slime. It will be slime. You have to shake. Ooh, this is the slime. But take the weight. Shake again. To make like this. Disgusting. It's so not good. I will put a bit of this water. Okay, done. Oops. Ah, what the? What's going on? Okay. Let's put that. It's too much, but it's too much. Too much water. Ew. I'm so sorry. So everything's gonna be so good. So my gum is gonna finish it. Oops. It's not good. It's already too much. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be slime. But shake first. It smells strawberry. Nice. I'm not lying you. If you want to smell, you have to come in my home. This is already big. Good. I feel good. Look, it's wanna be a slime. And shake. You have to taste first, okay? Okay. You have to shake and you taste. Oh, this is okay. We can play now because it's already good. Goodbye.